Hey there. Before we start, do me a quick favor. If you're serious about making money with Amazon Publishing, hit the subscribe button right now. This channel is called Silent Publisher for a reason. We focus on systems that work quietly, consistently, and profitably. All right, let's talk truth. Because right now, there's a war happening in the publishing space, and most people don't even realize it. On one side, you have Amazon KDP, ebooks, paperbacks, low content, high content, no content, all of it. On the other side, you have audiobook publishing, Audible, ACX, Findaway Voices, and the gold rush everyone suddenly wants to jump into. And everyone is asking the same question. Which one actually makes more money in 2026? Not which one sounds cooler. Not which one influencers are hyping this month. But which one puts real money in your account, consistently? Let's break this down properly. First, why most people are confused. The reason this debate is so loud is because both sides are telling half-truths. You'll hear people say, KDP is saturated, or audiobooks are the future. But saturation doesn't kill profits. Bad strategy does. And the future doesn't pay bills if you can't execute. So today, we're going to compare KDP versus audiobooks across the things that actually matter. Startup cost, speed to profit, scalability, long-term income, automation, risk. And I'll tell you who wins, depending on your situation. But stay to the end, because I'll also show you the smartest hybrid strategy that silent publishers are using in 2026. Let's start with KDP, the reality in 2026. Amazon KDP is not dead. Let me say that again slowly. KDP is not dead. What's dead is lazy publishing. In 2026, KDP rewards keyword precision, buyer intent, niche authority, clean listings. If you're still uploading random notebooks and hoping for miracles, yes, you'll fail. But if you understand how Amazon thinks, KDP is still one of the fastest ways to cash flow online. Here's what KDP looks like today. You can publish low-content books, medium-content books, high-content books, AI-assisted books, done correctly. And you can do it without showing your face, without inventory, without customer support. Startup cost? Almost zero. You need a laptop, internet, tools like Publisher Rocket, Helium 10, or KD Spy. That's it. Time to first sale? Some people make sales within days. But here's the catch. KDP income is smaller per sale, dependent on ranking, competitive in broad niches. You might make $2, $3, $5 per sale. But volume is where KDP shines. One book won't change your life. A catalog will. This is why silent publishers focus on series, niche domination, long-tail keywords. Now hold that thought. If you're learning something already, hit subscribe now. This channel is for people who want systems, not motivation. Also, if you want daily money tips, back-end strategies, and things I don't post on YouTube, join my Telegram channel. Link is always in the description. Now let's flip the coin. Audiobook publishing, the hype and the truth. Audiobooks are booming, no argument there. People are driving more, multitasking more, listening instead of reading. And platforms like Audible know this. In 2026, audiobooks have higher perceived value, less competition than ebooks, strong loyalty from listeners. Average audiobook royalty? Much higher. One sale can earn $5, $10, even $15 plus. Sounds amazing, right? But here's what most gurus won't tell you. Audiobooks have higher barriers to entry. You need voice talent, or AI narration done properly. Audio editing, longer production timelines, more upfront cost. Even with AI tools like 11 Labs, Play.ht, or Google TTS, quality control matters. Audible listeners are ruthless. If your audio sounds robotic or sloppy, refunds will eat your profits. Time to first sale? Usually weeks or months, not days. Audiobooks are slower to launch, but stronger per asset. This is important. Let's compare them head to head. Let's talk money. KDP. Lower income per sale, faster feedback, easier testing, easier scaling through volume. Audiobooks. Higher income per sale, slower feedback, higher upfront investment, stronger long-term assets. So which makes more money? Here's the real answer most people hate. The one you can execute consistently. If you're broke and impatient, KDP wins. If you have capital and patience, audiobooks win. But wait, there's a smarter move. The 2026 Power Strategy. This is the game changer. Smart publishers are not choosing sides, they're stacking. Here's what they do. Publish the ebook and paperback on KDP. Let Amazon data prove demand. Then convert the winning books into audiobooks. This removes risk. You don't guess which audiobook will sell. Amazon already told you. This is how silent publishers build compounding assets. One book, 3 formats, multiple income streams. That's leverage. Tools you can use right now. Let me give you practical tools, no theory. For KDP, Publisher Rocket, keyword and category research. KD Spy, niche validation. Canva, covers and interiors. ChatGPT, outlining and research, not copy-paste. For audiobooks, ACX, Audible Publishing. Findaway Voices, wide distribution. 11 Labs, AI narration. Audacity, audio cleanup. And for tracking, Book Report, Scribe Count. These are real tools, no hype. If you're still watching, that tells me something. You're not here for trends, you're here for truth. So hit subscribe if you haven't already. And again, join my Telegram channel for deeper strategies. And if you need personal help, reach out to me on X, Twitter. The biggest mistake people make in 2026. They chase formats instead of systems. KDP isn't passive. Audiobooks aren't passive. What's passive is ownership. Once your books rank, sell, and compound, you're no longer trading time for money. That's the goal. Final verdict. So, which makes more money in 2026? Short term, KDP. Long term, audiobooks. Smartest? Both. KDP is your testing ground. Audiobooks are your amplifier. If you've been stuck, overwhelmed, or confused, this is your sign to stop guessing. Pick one book, pick one niche, build it properly, then expand. If this video helped you even a little, subscribe to Silent Publisher. Join the Telegram channel for uncensored tips. Message me on X, Twitter, if you need help bringing your publishing dreams to life. No noise, no hype, just results. I'll see you in the next one.